Hello friends, today we'll find the velocity and acceleration in SHM. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so here is like x is equal to a sine omega t. Okay, so it is a is like amplitude, and this is sine omega t. Omega is angular frequency, t is the time, and x is what? It is a distance, you can say, or the position, or the displacement. Okay, so let's differentiate it. Okay, so when you differentiate it, so respect to dt, okay, it will become a omega a omega cos omega t. Okay, cos omega t, and this is what? This is the velocity. Okay, this is velocity. Okay, take this equation 1, and now you know cos omega t is what? Like cos omega t is also called under root 1 minus sine square omega t. And here is what? Like if you want to find the sine omega t, that means sine omega t is what? Sine omega t is equal to x by a. So put x by a instead of sine omega, square of sine omega t. So it will be x square a square. Okay. It is visible to all. Let me see. Okay. Now it is visible to all. So now what you need to do? You need to take the you need to solve it. Okay, a square by x square by a square, whole in the under root. So it will be under root a square x square by a. Okay, it is what? Cos omega t. Okay, so it is what? It is cos omega t. Okay, now put cos omega t here, the value of cos omega t here. So it will become under root a square minus x square by a. And now what will happen? A will get cancelled, and v equal to omega under root a square minus x square. This is your velocity. Okay, this is your velocity. This is your velocity. Okay, so now you know the velocity. Now find the acceleration. Okay, now what you need to do? Differentiate equation 1. Okay, differentiate equation 1. Differentiate equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to time. So you will get dv by dt equal to what? Like dv by dt equal to a, but here omega square will come, 1 omega square, omega will come out, so it will be omega, but here will be the minus sine omega t. Okay, now it is what? It is the dv by dt is the what? Like a, the acceleration, and it will be minus a omega square sine omega t. Okay, so this is it. But you can see x is equal to a sine omega t. So instead of a sine omega t, write x. Okay, omega square x. How we can say it? Because like x is equal to what? X is equal to a sine omega t. Now what you need to do? Like what you need to do right now? So this is what? Like acceleration, but acceleration is double differentiation of displacement. So it is like this. So you can also write it as this. So this is your acceleration equation. So this is your acceleration equation, and this is what? This is your acceleration. This is what you are finding. This is your acceleration. This is your acceleration equation. This is your velocity. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.